Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make croissants at home without an oven and without eggs. We'll start by combining 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then, mix in 1/2 cup of cold water and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Knead the dough gently for about 5 minutes until it's smooth, then let it rest for 30 minutes. Now, let's create those wonderful flaky layers. Roll your rested dough into a rectangle, approximately 1/4 inch thick. Spread 2 tablespoons of softened butter evenly over 2/3 of the dough. Fold the unbuttered third over the middle, then fold the remaining third over that. Chill for 20 minutes. Repeat this rolling, buttering, and folding process 2 more times, chilling after each fold, for a total of 3 folds. After shaping your croissants, it's time for proofing. Place them on a lightly floured surface, cover with a damp cloth, and let them rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 2 hours, or until they have doubled in size. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. This gentle heat is crucial for cooking them through without burning. We're aiming for a beautiful golden brown finish. Carefully place your proofed croissants into the preheated pan. Cook them for about 5 minutes on each side, turning gently until they are golden brown and cooked through. The total cooking time will be around 10 to 12 minutes. Once done, transfer them to a wire rack to cool slightly. This easy method yields 8 to 10 delicious, flaky, and perfectly golden croissants, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.